Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are still having a wonderful day. Y'all, I have some new items in my store and I wanted you to be the first to know. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. Thank you guys for all of your support, no matter how long you've been with me, whether you're a subscriber or not. Thank you so much for choosing to be with me right now. Y'all, I am so excited because we have some new additions to the shop, including the September paper crafting kit. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can walk you through all of this goodness. But don't go anywhere, because after we go through the paper crafting kit for September, I have something else I want to show you. So let's switch that camera view. So y'all, here is the beautiful paper crafting kit for September. As you can see, the color purples and lavenders. I am going to take this out of the bag so that you can see all of this goodness that we're going to be working with. So on this kit reveal, we're going to start with the papers. So we're going to start with the solid colors, and we have two pieces of beautiful lavender 8.5 by 11. Then we have two pieces of grape 8.5 by 11, and I hope that this color is really showing up because y'all, it is so rich and just so luscious. So you're going to get 4 pieces of 8.5 by 11. Then we have a full sheet of 12 by 12 cut aparts, and then we have 2 pieces of Prima double-sided, same pattern. And then we have 2 more pieces from the same collection of that Prima paper. This is the back side. Y'all, this paper is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 chipboard. And this is the chipboard that I use on my channel. So here are the papers that you're going to be receiving. All of these will be identical from kit to kit. So you can expect your paper collection here to be the same. We have these beautiful paper napkins. Each kit will contain 4 of these paper napkins. Y'all, they're gorgeous. And then we have some glue dots as well as Velcro dots. And then we have some purple ribbon. This is satin ribbon, 1/2 inch, and you'll have 2 feet of that. Then we have the lavender chiffon. You will have 2 feet of that. Each kit will contain some type of washi that'll be themed in a purple or lavender color. The washi will vary from kit to kit. And then we have some purple gems. So I'm just going to slide these over. Then we have a sticker pack, and y'all, these stickers are absolutely gorgeous. We have a variety of different types. So we have the paper doll stickers that we are all so fond of, and they are dressed in some shade of purple. Then we have these gorgeous gold edged stickers. And y'all, look at how beautiful that actually is. And then we have a coordinating piece of florals with some little butterflies on it. These are absolutely gorgeous. And y'all, then we have an amazing paper pack. It is filled with different sizes. So we have a couple of 6x6s. We have these, maybe they're 5x6s or 5x7s, but look how big they are. Then we have these, just so stinking cute. You'll be able to do some really fun crafting with that. We have these that would make some really cute background mats. Some of these, those, these little cuties here, and then these smaller pieces here. These are 3x3s. But look at how gorgeous they are. They are going to fit beautifully with your project. And then I've included some metals in this kit. So you're going to have some of these little brads that are gold, and you will have some D-rings. So I put 4 D-rings in each kit. So if you wanted to make like a beautiful paper purse and you wanted to put the D-rings on the handle, you're going to have those as well. And then finally, we have a beautiful 3x5 notepad, and this one says noted. I have several versions of this, so yours might say to do or list, but each one will have one of these in it. And just know that for all of these accessories here, the paper accessories, yours might differ from the ones that I've shown here, but you will have this variety in yours as well as the sticker sheets. So this is my beautiful, beautiful September Lavender Fields paper crafting kit. So this kit will go on sale tomorrow, August 27th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And I have a limited quantity, so once they're sold, they're sold. If you are a member of my monthly members group or my Patreon, please check for your discount code. I will be putting that out as well. So your discount code, as always, is 15% off of the sale price of this item. So that is our beautiful Lavender Fields September paper crafting kit. And then, y'all, I am super excited about this one. I'm calling it my ultimate Christmas paper crafting pack, and you'll see why in just a minute. So let's just go ahead and take everything out of the pack. All right, so let's start with our papers. Y'all are going to love these papers. I have more paper in this pack than I've ever had in a paper crafting pack. So we have our 2 pieces of 12 by 12 chipboard. Y'all, this is standard for me. I always put these in my packs. Then we have 2 pieces of solid red cardstock. Beautiful. Then we have a 12 by 12 cut apart page. Gorgeous. A full sheet of 12 by 12 Christmas stickers. 2 pieces of double-sided 12 by 12 paper. Looks like that. Y'all, this keeps getting better and better. Then we have a fussy cut page, 8.5 by 11. And then we have 3 pieces of 8.5 by 11. Y'all, this is perfect for making double-sided envelopes. It is gorgeous. And then we have 2 pieces of this beautiful Christmas paper here. I'm just going to put that right there. And y'all, it keeps getting better. Y'all remember when I was using this paper and everyone wanted it? Well, it's in this kit. So I was sourcing all of this to make this particular kit. So here is that beautiful paper that you saw me using. You get 2 pieces of that. And then remember this one? Yep, y'all wanted it. Well, it is in this kit. You get 2 pieces of that. Look at all the paper that you get in this kit. I've never put this much paper in a kit before. So this kit has 16 paper types in it. I have never done that before, and I'll probably never do it again, but I thought that this was just a great way to do an ultimate Christmas pack. But we are not done with what we're doing with this pack, because we have some of that beautiful red chiffon ribbon. We have some red satin ribbon. And we have some red Christmas twine. You get 2 feet of each one. Then we have a roll of washi. The washi will differ from kit to kit, but you get a full roll of washi. Then you're going to get a dozen mini brads red. Then I absolutely love these. You're going to get some postcards, some old-fashioned postcards. These are truly mailable if you wanted to mail them. And then we have a fun little sticker pack. This one is already sealed, so I'm not going to open it. And then we have another sticker pack that isn't sealed. So let's go ahead and open this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6 of these gorgeous gold edge stickers. Now yours might be different when you get them, but can you see how that is glistening? Y'all, that is absolutely gorgeous. I am going to take these and put them back in the bag because I don't want to misplace any of them. And then each kit will have this nice little red notebook that you can dress up instantly just by placing one of those on top. But I'm sure that you guys will do so much more than just place the postcard on top, but you will get one of these as well. So many of you have asked about what I was about to show, but I sourced this exclusively to be able to put in my kit and to exclusively be able to give you the amount that I'm going to be giving you. So I'm going to slide all of this back just a little bit because I want to show you what you're going to be getting. There are at least 25 pieces in this pack. Remember that bow? remember this? Yes, it is in there. The candy canes, the ornaments, presents, more presents, the peppermints. We have these little tags in there. There is just so much. Remember that bow? Yep, you sure do. And you remember this one as well. They are all in this kit. And then you get these little Christmas trees. But there's just so much in this ephemera pack for this kit. And you're getting all of these pieces. Each kit will have all of these pieces in it. So this is my ultimate Christmas paper crafting pack. This is the largest crafting pack I have personally done. And I made sure that I sourced as many beautiful items to put in here as I possibly could. So I wanted to make sure that if you're getting these awesome papers that you've seen me working with recently, you're also getting that embellishment pack so that you can decorate yours just as beautifully as mine. But then if you don't want to decorate in this style, you're going to have this second style over here that you can decorate with your Santa Claus double-sided paper, as well as the embellishments and the sticker pack for that. So you have so many options to choose from. Like I said, my largest kit ever. But there is a catch because I had to source so much. I only have a limited amount of these, and these will go on sale tomorrow, August 27th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time as well. And if you are a member of my monthly members group or my Patreon group, you will get your 15% discount code for this as well. So y'all, I am just so excited. And I also hope to have a new digital paper out tomorrow as well. So make sure that you are checking my website. The link is in the description box. Go out there tomorrow and grab your kit. Supplies are truly limited. This is not a gimmick. This is not me trying to give you a fear of missing out. This is me truly telling you supplies are limited. So when I sell these out, will I make another one? I don't know. If I'm able to source all of this again, I might make more. But what I have right now is what I have, and I am so happy for those of you who are going to take advantage of grabbing this or grabbing the Lavender Fields, no matter which one you get. And if you want, get both. But even if you only get one, I hope that you enjoy it. And even if you decide not to get any of them, thank you for supporting my channel by watching this video. And thank you for supporting my website by just going out there and having a look. So y'all, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.